In this video, I'm going to show you how to play against bots in Clash Royale. Now, first we need to talk about what bots are. So bots are AI controlled accounts that use game users to match you when certain conditions are met. You can usually spot them because generally they have no clan, use a basic banner, don't use emotes, have no card masteries, and also you'll spot them by playing repetitive decks like 2.6 Hog, Expo, or Roll Hogs decks. Sometimes have random or unusual usernames as well, so that's how you can tell if you're playing against the bot. Now, in order to play against these bots, you got to pretty much have a low win rate or just returning after a long break, or you're over leveled or under leveled for your arena. King level doesn't meet the arena requirements, and sometimes bots appear even at high trophies like 7.5k to 9k, depending on matchmaking. Now, how do you play against bots effectively? So treat it as a practice match, focus on testing new decks and strategies, work on your timing and card placements, try to win consistently. Winning against bots can eventually lead you to real player matches, so experiment with cards and combos you wouldn't normally try in PvP.